In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication 2FA on Stripe. Adding this extra layer of security is one of the best way to protect your account from unauthorized access. Let's get started. First, head over to stripe.com. On the home page, click the sign in button at the top right corner. This will take you to login page. Enter your email address and password. If you are using a public or shared computer, make sure not to check the Remember Me option. After logging in, you will be directed to your Stripe dashboard. To enable 2FA, click on the settings icon, the gear symbol in the top right corner. From the menu, select Profile. On your profile page, look for two-step authentication. This Stripe's version of 2FA. Click on Add Authentication Method. Stripe gives you a few options for receiving your authentication codes. Authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy. SMS or text message with a code. For the best security, I recommend using an authentication app, since SMS can sometimes be compromised. If you choose an app, you will be asked to scan a QR code or enter a setup key in your authenticator app. Once you have completed the setup, your Stripe account will now be protected with two-factor authentication. That's it, you have successfully enabled 2FA on Stripe.